Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset MMI A6 C7. Press and hold the menu, nav, and upper right buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the screen reboots. This soft reset often clears glitches and restores responsiveness while keeping your presets intact. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI A6 C7. After ignition on, press menu, nav, and the upper right button together for about 10 seconds. Release when the display goes black and the Audi rings, then allow the system several minutes to fully restart and reconnect radios and Bluetooth. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI A6 C7. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cabin smelling great after working on the MMI. It's small, long-lasting, and fits behind the seat. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI A6 C7. To perform a master reset, back up any important data, go to Setup, choose System, then Factory Reset, and confirm. The process returns all settings to factory defaults and removes paired phones and accounts, so plan to reconnect devices afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.